Hi friends, in the last session we have started that concept called the important functions of dictionary, right? So we have started that concept called what? Important functions of dictionary. So in that we have observed that first four functions of important functions. Okay, first four functions of important functions, those are called what? First one is a dict function. Okay, how to create a normal dictionary. Okay, second one is a length function. Okay, second one is what? Length function to return the number of items in the dictionary. Third one means to remove all elements from the dictionary. Okay, clear means to remove all elements from the dictionary. Fourth one will be get function. Okay, get function is nothing but to get the value associated with the key. Okay, to get the value associated with the key. Okay, so here first four we have observed. Okay, first four we have observed. Next we have to observe that next functions nothing but a pop function and a pop item and keys value so on, so we have to observe for today's session, right? So first function today is nothing but what? Pop function. Okay, first function is nothing but what today? Pop function. Pop function. Okay, pop function is fifth one. Okay, fifth one is nothing but pop function. See, pop function is nothing but to remove the entry associated with the specified key and returns the corresponding value. Okay, so pop function is nothing but it removes. Okay, it removes the entry associated with the key associated specified with the specified key and returns the specified value, returns the specified or corresponding value. Okay, it removes the entry associated with the specified key and returns the corresponding value. Okay, returns the corresponding value. Corresponding value. So observe here the syntax is nothing but what? D dot pop. Okay, D dot pop of a key. Okay, D dot pop of a key. See, observe carefully. Pop function is nothing but to remove the entry associated with the specified key and returns the corresponding value. Okay, syntax will be D dot pop of key. Okay, D dot pop of a key. Observe the example. Okay, so observe here. I'm taking a one dictionary. I'm taking one dictionary. On the dictionary, what I'm doing means first I'm printing the dictionary. Okay, first I'm printing the dictionary. Next, what I'm doing means print d dot pop of 100. Okay, d dot pop of 100. D dot pop of 100. Next, after removing, I'm printing that d. One more time, I'm printing d dot pop of what I'm taking means 500. Okay, 500 I'm taking. So observe here. In the first case, I'm printing the total dictionary. I'm removing the pop. Okay, it removes the element and returns the corresponding value. Okay, here I'm removing the element which is not available. Okay, observe the behavior in this case. So first one will be the same. Okay, second one will be the value key removed and the corresponding value it returned. And after removing the 100th key, so this is the dictionary. Okay, last one will be When I'm trying to remove 500 key which is not available in the dictionary, it is going to give error as a key error. Clear? Clear, right? So this is nothing but what a pop function. Okay, this is nothing but what a pop function. And one more point here is if the key is not available, if the key is not available, available, then we will get a key error. Then we will get a key error. Okay, then we will get a key error. So we observed, right, if here I am trying to provide the 500 which is not available in the dictionary, it will give key error. Clear? This is nothing but what a pop function. Okay, next one will be sixth one, pop item. Okay, next one will be pop item. Next one will be pop item. Next one will be pop item. Pop item means it also removes an arbitrary item from the corresponding dictionary and returns it. Okay, observe here, it removes an arbitrary, it removes an arbitrary item. That means key with value. Okay, key with value from the dictionary and returns it from the dictionary and returns it, returns it. It removes an arbitrary item. Okay, it removes an arbitrary item key value from the dictionary and returns it. Okay, so I have taken one dictionary. Okay, I have taken one dictionary. After that, what I am doing means I'm trying to remove the entry. I mean, I'm trying to remove one item. Pop item. Okay, pop item. When I'm trying to remove the pop item, means one element will be removed. Okay, one element will be removed. That means element will be removed randomly. Okay, random element, random element. Okay, here also take arbitrary item or random element from the dictionary. Okay, random element from the dictionary. Okay, now observe here print of d. Okay, now observe print of d. See here which element will be removed, we are not sure. Okay, here this element, this dictionary, this key value pair gone removed. Okay, this got removed. Observe here, let me try one more time. Okay, every time it is removing the same, but 100% in every system it is going to remove the it is going to remove the last one, we are not sure. Okay, it pop item is going to remove the elements randomly. Okay, pop item is going to remove the elements randomly. Clear? Clear, right? Example. Okay, this is nothing but what a pop item. Pop function is going to remove the element with a specified key. Pop item, it removes the element randomly. Okay, pop function is going to take argument. Pop item is not going to take any argument. Okay, pop item is not going to take any argument. So if you try to remove any element on empty dictionary, it will give error as the dictionary is empty. Okay, so observe here, i'm trying to remove I'm trying to use pop item on the empty dictionary. Okay, I'm trying to remove pop item on the empty dictionary. What is the behavior? Okay, dictionary is empty. Okay, dictionary is empty. Clear? Example 2. next point. Okay, next point is next function, keys. Okay, keys means it returns all keys associated with the dictionary. Okay, that means returns it returns the all keys associated with the dictionary, associated with the dictionary. Okay, it returns all keys associated with the dictionary. Okay, observe here, I have a dictionary. Okay, already I have a dictionary here. So on the dictionary, what I am doing means print of, okay, print of d dot keys. Okay, print of d dot keys, print of d dot keys. So print of d dot keys means it is going to return only the keys. Okay, it is going to return only the keys from the dictionary total. Okay, so if I want to print one by one means that also we can do for k in d dot keys. Okay, for k in d dot keys is nothing but print of k. Okay, print of k, print of k. So here it's going to display first all keys. Next here it's going to display all keys one by one. Okay, observe the output. So here if you observe here total keys and next here all keys are printing one by one. Okay, all keys are printing one by one. Clear, right? This is nothing but what? Okay, this is nothing but what? D dot keys. That means it returns all keys associated with the dictionary. Okay, it returns all keys associated with the dictionary. Okay, this is nothing but what? Example. Example. So next, the same thing, values. Okay, the same thing, values. Okay, the same thing with the values. Observe here in the same example, I am not doing anything on the same dictionary, just here I am changing the values. Okay, here I am changing the values. Here also just I am changing the values. Okay, with respect to keys, now here we are going to get only the values, like with respect to key, what is the value, that only we are going to display. Okay, that only it will display. Observe here, if you observe only the values it is displaying. In the previous case it displayed only the keys. Now in this case it is displaying only the values. Okay, keys means keys it will display, values means values only it will display. Okay, that means what we can say here point is to it returns all values associated with the dictionary. Okay, it returns, okay, it returns all values associated with the dictionary. Okay, it returns all values associated with the dictionary. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Values. So here if you observe here, keys means keys printing, values means values printing. So I want to print both the keys. Okay, I want to print both means that also we can do by using items. Okay, that also we can do by using items. Okay, that also we can do by using items. Okay, that also we can do by using what? Items function. See here the same example I am taking, but just here I'm taking means items. Okay, just here what I'm taking means items. Here also I'm removing values and keeping items. Here I'm taking k comma v. D dot items means first one will be the key, second one will be the value. So d dot items means it is going to give both key and value at a time to these variables. Okay, key will get this one and value will be this one. Okay, so in that way it is going to display here as a key with respect to value. Okay, key with respect to value. Observe carefully, don't get confused. Keys means it's going to display only the keys. Values means it's going to display only the values. But I want to display the both means we can display by using items function. Okay, we can display both. We can by using what items function. Okay, key comma value in d dot items. Key and value. Okay, key and value. Observe the output carefully. 100 Sai. Okay, just like this the values got printed. Okay, just like this values got printed by using items function. By using what? Items function. Okay, this is nothing but what items function. Okay, this is nothing but what items function. Example. Okay, so we can say that what it returns. Okay, it returns a list of tuple values. It returns a list of tuple values. Okay, it returns a list of tuple values representing key comma value pairs. Okay, it returns a list of tuple values representing key value pairs. Okay, clear, right? This is nothing but what items function. Okay, so in the next session I'm going to explain some more functions, important functions of dictionary. Okay, so as of now if you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email id in the given description. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.